Check left-right alignment at first. Take a photo from the front at an upward angle. Observe whether the capping pad is centered and equally spaced with the printhead. If it is offset to the left or right, adjust the position through the software. After adjustment, take another photo to verify. Take a photo from a slightly upward side angle. Observe whether the ink pad is centered and equidistant from the printhead position. If it is offset forward or backward, calibrate by adjusting the capping pad base. Loosen the screws of the capping pad base. Remove the next printhead to check alignment. Observe from the top to check whether the overall position is centered. After confirming the position is correct, secure the capping pad base. After adjustments, take a photo and send it to the technician for confirmation. After adjustment, take another photo to verify.